Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Hootsuite, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your web browser. Type Hootsuite into your search engine. Click on the official Hootsuite website link. Once on the homepage, look for a prominent button that says Get Started. Click on the Get Started button. You will be directed to a registration page. Here, you can choose between a free plan or various paid plans. Select the plan that suits your needs. If you choose a free plan, click on the Try It Free option. Next, you will be prompted to enter your email address. Type in a valid email address. Create a password for your account. Ensure your password is strong and secure. Confirm your password in the designated field. Click on the Sign Up button to proceed. You may be asked to verify your email address. Check your inbox for a verification email from Hootsuite. Open the email and click on the verification link. Once verified, return to the Hootsuite registration page. You may be prompted to enter additional information. Fill in your name and any other required fields. If applicable, provide your company name and job title. After filling out the required information, click Next. You may be asked to connect your social media accounts. Select the platforms you wish to manage through Hootsuite. Follow the prompts to authorize Hootsuite to access your accounts. Once connected, you will be guided to the dashboard. Take a moment to explore the features available to you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.